Hi there, my name is Darlan PUCCI. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Pancetta Tesa. I'm gonna show you step by step. On the end of this video, I'm gonna try Pancetta Tesa coming up. Now I'm gonna mix the curing blend, rub into the meat, and then keep putting a Ziploc bag and keep in the fridge for 7 days. Now I leave in the fridge for 7 days. Every day I turn over and massage the meat. I'm back again. After 7 days in the fridge, I'm gonna wash the meat in running water. I'm gonna rub a mix of condiments, of seasoning, and I'm gonna hang in the curing chamber. Pancetta. Now I'm gonna pat dry the meat and I'm gonna make a little mix. Garlic, onion, coriander, a little cayenne pepper, and a little nutmeg and black pepper. I'm gonna pierce and hang in the maturation chamber now. Now I'm gonna place the pancetta in the maturation chamber Gonna stay here until it loses around 40% of the original weight, that's 684 grams. Temperature 56 Fahrenheit, humidity 75%. Hi there, I'm back now to try the Pancetta Tesa. The pancetta stay in the maturation chamber for 6 months. It's much more than I normally use, and lost around 42% of the original weight. A cut paper thing. It's good, it's not salty. The brown sugar helps to cut the saltiness. It's very flavorful. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.